Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix EA Sports College Football 27 game crashing, crashes at startup, freezing problem, stuttering or lagging problem on Xbox consoles. So here follow the fixes very carefully. First solution, make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it and then launch the game and check. Second solution is to clear EA Sports College Football 27 cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for EA Sports College Football 26 game and then highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click Delete from console when deleting it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then you can skip this solution. Solution 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. And after a console restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 5 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts, select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch EA Sports College Football 26 game and see if your problem is solved or not. Now here take a note, you must log in with the correct account and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Solution 6 is to run EA Sports College Football 27 from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type EA Sports College Football 27 in the search bar and then click on it and then click on launch game and see if that helps or not. Solution 7 is to switch network connection. So if you are using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and then check. If you are using a Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Solution 8 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network setting, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Restart your console and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check if it solves the problem or not. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network setting, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall EA Sports College Football 27 game. So simply uninstall EA Sports College Football 27 game from your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve EA Sports College Football 27 game crashing or crashes at startup, freezing, lagging or stuttering problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.